Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Yazio. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.